Hello, and welcome to New Tech. In this tutorial, you will learn how to download and install Google Chrome in Windows 10 computer. Let's begin. Now, open Microsoft Edge from the taskbar. Then, search for Google Chrome. After that, go to the first link from the result. Now, click on the Download Chrome. Then, click on the Accept and Install button, and browser will prompt you to choose either Run or Save. Click on the Run button. Then, you will see that your download process is begin. Wait for a few minutes to complete download process. After completing download process, it goes to the installation process. After that, you will go through a few steps to set up your browser. Then, click on Get Started. Click on Next button, and choose a background from your browser, and click on Next button. You can choose your Chrome as default browser. To set the default browser, click on Set as Default button. Then, choose Google Chrome for default browser app. Otherwise, skip the steps. Then, click on Continue button to sign in your account. Otherwise, click on No Thanks. Now, your browser is ready to use. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in next tutorial with amazing and interesting topics. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.